Primetime news this evening. Car chase and gunfire. Speeding gun battle ends with death and chaos in Montego Bay, St. James. Pfizer suspended or not? Questions abound as second Pfizer jabs being administered in Clarendon despite announced suspension. And PAAC grills health officials about country's struggling vaccine program.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what are your views on suggestions that the remaining doses of the Pfizer vaccine should be given only to children 12 years and older. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.